ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎತ್ತಾ ಟಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎತ್ತಾ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಬ್ರೈಟ್
लहसुन जलते Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog by LakshmiKamathVlogs, where my name is Lakshmi, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. I have gotten all ready in this pink dress with lot of jewelry, and where are we going? It's Guruji's cousin's marriage today, and how can we not miss our legacy of being late? This time it's because of me. Yay! And Guruji is angry also because we are late. Yay! Two-way relation for Guruji. His mother's brother got married to his father's sister. So बुआ की लड़की भी है and मामा की लड़की भी है. So it's his aunt and uncle from both sides, mother's side as well as father's side. Their daughter's marriage today. Swathi Prabhu is her name, and the marriage is happening in Beltangdi near Dharmasthala. So today is the Sangeeth night. We have a tradition called Phool Muddi. We have that ritual first, Phool Muddi, and then next followed by the Sangeeth and dance and all of that. So Guruji and me, I made him wear pink. So Guruji and me matching. Guruji is not going to look into the screen, guys. Don't expect he will look. Today he will be Formula 1 driver. No. He'll drive slowly. Yeah. So he's not going to look into the screen because he has to be that Kabir Singh angry, no? So oh yeah. He's smiling. Slowly, sly smile I saw. We were supposed to get ready and leave by 4. It's 5 o'clock. And the function start around 6 o'clock. And we have 2 hours journey. There's no way we're going to reach at 6. So it's 5 now. We'll reach around 7, I think. And half the function might be over by then, if they start at 6. Generally, functions always get delayed by half an hour because getting ready for the bride is also a tedious task, and on top of that, photography and all of that. So in my marriage also same thing happened. So there was a delay of half an hour to 1 hour when the Sangeet started. I chose to wear a dress today because sari tomorrow anyways I'm wearing. So this is a pink beautiful dress which we got from Geetanjali Silks. I think the cost was around 2,000 bucks. This is the first time I'm wearing it. I bought it about 6-7 months back. Yeah, so we are on the way. We just started and we have 2 hours to reach. 2 hours of travel. We'll go by Karkala, Bajagoli, that route. Udupi to Karkala, then Bajagoli, and there Beltangdi. Yes, so I'll vlog throughout the evening. I'll show you some dance performances. Yeah, but if there are movie songs, then I have to change the song because otherwise copyright issues and all that. And let's take you along. Let's go. Some road construction going on, guys. You have to take some. The mid-center of the road is there, and that is gone. This bumpy road. You have to go. This is near Kasa place, Shirva. Yeah. From Katpadi we came inside Shirva. This is Belman Shirva there. The roads are in bad. I mean, they're constructing. That's why the roads are in bad condition. Once the construction is done, it should get better. Almost an hour passed by. 6 o'clock. We are near Bajagoli. We passed Karkala. So we are near Bajagoli now, going by the bypass. So this place is called Bajagoli. It has many good restaurants here where you can stop by and have snacks. One amongst them is Lakshmi Hotel. It is known for goli bhaje and buns. So you can try goli bhaje here. These are many small hotels. All serve good food. On the right, this is Bajagoli bus stand, I think. Here, these hotels. Hotel Lakshmi there. That hotel. The view is great. Some good day. Kaisa good tha? Charmadi. This is some new place. Feels like, I don't know. I have not seen this road. ये कहाँ आ गए गुरुजी? I have not seen this road.
We have come many times in this route. You will remember if you are awake during the route.
Almost reached Beltangdi. Yeah, so we had booked a room here in Wellview Resorts in Beltangdi. So we initially thought we'll check in, we'll keep our luggage and then go. But it's already too late. I think the functions and all will start now. So then we thought, let's go later on. At the night we'll check in. If we had gone now, maybe we could see the view around and all that. But it's already dark. It's starting to get dark. There's no point now. So this is happening in SDM Hall in Beltangdi. So we're there. That's the hall. All decorated. This is the hall. See the decoration. Oh, very beautiful. Our Swathi. Guruji, यहाँ देखो जरा. It's our Guruji. All the family members are gathered here in the presence of But Mom to welcome the boys' side. Both the families stand facing each other where they exchange flowers, betel leaves, haldi, kumkum and welcome each other. This is the ritual where the bride's parents escort the groom and welcome him by putting a flower garland and giving a coconut to him.
LakshmiKamathVlogs.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎತ್ತಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎತ್ತ ಟಿವಿ ಅಂತ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎತ್ತ ಹಾಯ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್.
The rituals are done. Now begins the fun games.
ಬಾಬು
Bright. चलते. We reached the resort. This is what we booked. Wellview Resort is the name. So many cars here. Jordan River Family Restaurant, it seems. It's 10 o'clock. The function's over. We came now. What was the cost of the room?
1,700.
Yeah, the cost of the room is 1,700. So we'll go and check it out. We booked the room through Make My Trip, and on reaching the reception, they asked us to show for the bookings, and we were asked to give our Aadhaar card, and then we were allotted the AC room on the first floor. There is no lift. There is no lift, so you have to walk. If you are carrying luggage, please make a note. So welcome, let's do the room tour. So as soon as you enter, here is a giant bed. It's a king size, queen size bed, and looks clean. There's something to keep. And then here's a giant mirror to get ready. This is the mirror. Here we have a TV, and this is kind of the storage. And here we have cupboards. Then there's a sofa, there's a curtain. We booked an AC room. That's an AC, that's the fan. Oh, there are two fans. There, one, and here one. And one table. This is the bathroom. There are two towels. There's a shower and bucket and water. Bucket and mug. And this is the wash basin, dustbin, commode. Clean. That's a surprise. I'm very happy that the room is clean.
Yeah.
The room is really good. I was skeptical because I didn't know how the room would be. But it's a great booking. Yeah, thanks to Guruji. तुम आ रहे हो वैसे ये सब करते हुए.
Yeah, it's sweating. You're South Kendra.
I belong to this part, no, so he's saying it's sweating. I am also sweating, I am no less. And this beautiful mehendi is by Purvi Devadiga. I forgot to mention in the video, this beautiful mehendi, this is the mehendi stain. Yesterday I applied it, April 4th I applied it. Today is April 5 and this is the stain, mehendi stain. It's very beautiful. So Purvi applied mehendi on my hand. So I have made a vlog with Purvi while she is applying mehendi. I leave a link in the I button for that as well. You can watch the video there. So it was a fun evening. We had lots of fun for Swathi's and Suhas's Sangeeth night. There were a lot of games and fun activities and songs and all of that. We also participated in some couple game whose video I don't have. Couple compatibility test where they asked questions. You and me, boards were there. You win a point when you say both are the same answer. In the sense, who's more lazy? I should say me and Guruji also should say you. So that means it's correlated answer. I mean, it's the same answer, same person. So that's how. Who fights more? I have to say, if it's me, I have to say me. And if he also feels it's me, then he should also say you. Then we win another point that way. So the question they asked us was, who is more lazy? And who is more stylish? And who spends more time on phone? So tell me in the comments what was the answer for this. Okay, that's it. Let's end the vlog here. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow is the wedding day. I'll try as much as possible to vlog. And with this, let's end the vlog. And thanks for watching. Take care. And until I meet you in the next video, do subscribe to LakshmiKamathVlogs and tell me in the comments, who do you think is the laziest among me and Guruji? First question. Second is, who is more stylish, me or Guruji? And third question being, who spends more time on phone? These three things they asked us, and we said the same answer. So you tell me in the comments, what do you think? And bye.